Like it. What's happening? What's in her? Eat. Now. You are not confused.
Bring her come now.
What?
You bring her come now.
I can eat your food now.
What's this one? You want the game? Yes, I don't like to follow you. You bring this to come here now.
I especially made this food for myself. Hey. Which one is that food?
Why are you treating me this way, Nalini? I get one for offend you.
Why did you offend me? You can't buy a food.
Now, woman, they eat this vegetable, not be me now. You bring me, give me food now.
You know, man, they eat noodles. This one is noodles and egg. Toast together. This one is bread, man, food to hold your tummy.
This one a flat tummy. Eh?
Some flat tummy. Bread and egg, flat
This is flat tummy, eh?
This one is not flat tummy.
This is big tummy. You know, say I need big tummy. You,
Now this one.
you bring this to come now.
This
If
one
they
is
pet
flat
you,
tummy.
they give you pets. You know, they collect that pet.
This one
They
is-
show you love. You know, they collect that. I beg, bring this to come.
I prepare this one for you. You need
Go to that one for toilet.
You need a whole bread. Ngwa na. Hungry go mama.
Oh, my waiting. You bring this to come
I'm
now.
not blue. Don't try it.
Before you go, rest the temperature for here.
No problem. Tell the temperature go high. Remember,
Baby, you bring this food now. You never bring it hot.
you know it's it.
Hey, you bring that now. This one, you eat this one. You don't say you want, you want me to show a flat.
I don't want flat. I need it. What is it now?
Man, don't eat this one now. Why would they look you? They eat this one now. It's impossible now, bro. Eh? Eh?
Enter that kitchen.
Okay.
If I enter kitchen by yourself, there's no problem.
Okay. You cut. As I cut, you cut. Me go to auto cut for you.
Cut from where? Where am I down?
You got this one. Let me get understanding.
Tell me you cut, I cut. Now you cut down. This is really nice. Oh. Nice.
Okay.
Taste it fast.
No, don't play with that. No, that can't play. I'm not just saying that. As soon as you don't put me for here, I don't need that can play. I don't just need that. I get what I'm saying. I don't need that. Before you go to that from that work problem here.
It's okay.